So it's another unboxing day. Join me as I unfold a new parcel that I got. So it's another family parcel day. So let's see what's here. Oh, okay. So is this 4-piece? How many? It's more than 4 actually. This short piece I got from TikTok Market as well. So let's see. I'm just gonna try one on to see. So it comes with it comes as I'm doing a video, baby. Welcome. My son literally just distracts me. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me show you again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 5. It's 5. It's 5 shots from TikTok. So I'm gonna go and try one of them. Let me actually see the color I like. So my favorite color now among all of them, it's this color. It's a little bit like pink, I know. So this is it. So I'm gonna go and put it on. Let's see. This is another color. So look how nice it is. It literally snatched my tummy inside. Look, if I remove it now, you see how my tummy is. So if you put it back, it literally snatched your tummy back inside. So look how it is, and it's really stretchy. So I think I got a medium size of this. So it's so nice, very comfortable. You can wear it to the gym, like I said before. It's different color, nice color. I think there's more color out there. So I'm going to put the link on this video now, so you can go and get yourself some. I'm really impressed with the few things I'm buying from TikTok right now. So this is one of it. So look how nice it is. Look how nice it is. So some of us that need a summer body, you need like quick shot to just go to the gym. So you can literally get, and it's very cheap as well. Very cheap. Like I said, it's very cheap. When I bought it $6.99, and I think the price is $5.99, and it's still on sales now. You can go get your own, and it's five pieces with nice different color different colors, and it's very stretchy. Like I said, it's very stretchy, and it also help you to snatch. Some of you that want a snatching shorts, this is one of it. So it also help you to snatch your tummy inside. And this one, I think I got medium. You can get small. If I want to get again, I'll literally get small, but this is actually very comfortable, so you can get this one. If you just need a short to go to the gym, quickly go to the shop to get something, it's okay. It's not really too short. It's very comfortable. Like I said, this is it. It's very comfortable, so you can literally wear this around your house. Go to the gym, just put a nice shoes or a nice top. Please go get your own right now, and it's $6.99 with all these colors. There's black, there's brown, there's dark black, and there's this blue, and there's another one again, there's pink. So these are my favorite color, and I'm so happy that I got it. I'm impressed. So I'm gonna get it again. So it's gonna be on this video when I post it. Go get your own and thank you. Rush, how cheap it is. If you want to buy one of these outside TikTok Market, you know how it's gonna be. So they are giving you for one price for 5. So it was literally £15 before, and now they're doing it $6.99. So what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Go get your own right now. Bye. Let me enjoy my shot. Let me enjoy my shot.